In this video, I'm going to show you how you can copy comments on YouTube mobile version, okay? Let's get started. As usual, in this channel, we don't waste the time of our viewers. Look for YouTube app, okay? I think mine is down here. Just tap on it. Then, now I have located the video where I want to copy the comment. Let's say I want to copy the comment of this first. I want to copy this first comment, sorry. If I long press on that comment, I'll not be able to copy it directly. You can see I'm facing difficulty. So how do we go about this? Just tap on the three dots, then click on share, okay? Then copy that link, okay? After copying that link, click on the home screen button, then go to Chrome, go to your Chrome browser on your phone. Then just paste that link that you copied, sorry. Now the video will be displayed on this other side. Now just tap on the comment section once again, sorry. Then you see now you can be able to copy that YouTube comment. Just tap on copy. So that is how you can copy comments on YouTube mobile version. If you found value in this video, guys, please make sure to like it. Until next time, peace out. I love you guys.